to South Sudan or to us. But it has been 105 years since our kingdom was taken down by the colonials. We thank the spirit of our ancestors for bringing back our kingdom and our king to our land. We appreciate our spirit and the spirit of our ancestors. So let's start with the spirit among us and around the people. I don't know what to say. I welcome you. You're all welcome. As we start our program, we make you feel at home. We are all one. And the purpose of this celebration today is unity, peace among all of us. Thank you very much. I don't have much to say. If there is anything else, we will say it later. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you, Kevin. Very powerful words. Next week, yesterday I was talking about going to the workshop, which we discussed about things. But I think one of my takeaways from that was that next week, the worship program, you can see the passion we have for learning about the foundation of people in the kingdom. So the worship program is really very important. So, for what you have to say. The secretary. Thank you. Round of applause.
Hello, pensavo, dico, tengo una pasca franco, ma mi tratta bene. Hello. Mina kakaknya metadona mina sore ya so just a little bit for people who will not understand what I'm going to say. I apologize to our visitors and everybody, but I'm going to speak in my language. And my apology, if you see someone next to you that can translate to you, they can help you do that. Thank you. So, Minafu Ilso, who Minafu so far, sekarang bahana berdua, no, sekarang itu koyo, no, kalau kita lawan kita bukan karena atau dari corona atau sekarang ini begini so, bukan begini atau tapi ini mau ngamne kuliah aja, cuma pertanyaan kan, jadi ini buat sangat tahu, kemudian mereka bertanya, ini pak bangga kan tahu. Ya, kalau kita itu dapat daerah kemudian mengenai berbagai so itu kita cara kita sebenarnya nggak Indo sebenarnya kita cuma tanpa yang pasti helpful jadi nggak kayak helpful cara dan itu cekap so situ kan apa pun bukan betul nak nak dia pun ni message orang kan jam kita mereka pun mana boleh cukup pengalaman ni orang kan ada semua so dia dengar itu dengan diploma and then we have orang ni juga awak orang dia dengan cara mereka weapon bagi orang juga orang dia semua dengan beberapa orang beri itu semua so dia itu kita lagi apa na ibu anak sedang menolak dengan sepotong apa kami kata sampai mau boleh prasolia ani dua dengan kami serang bukan tanggal tapi teman kan orang kan ya perlu dibaca bahkan kalau yang tambah itu karena itu juga tambah itu Instagramnya tambah itu kan berbeda baru bayo na warganya berbagai na warga itu kan cuma acara sebenarnya sesudah itu ya ada betul di mas tambah. Thank you so much for those control the wise words. I did understand somebody with me. Thank you. Yeah, it's a great message. Gratitude. Love to hear it. One day I will understand that. I'm learning. I'm getting there. I think I have learned some of it. Which means yeah. That was gonna correct me. Okay, I'll learn about myself more. No, stop. Anyway, so maybe you can have a little bit of a break. Have a stretch, you're looking at the together, the DJ in a place to your trust. If you feel like dancing, come forward. The DJ gets the cheers going. Thank you. We'll be back sharing with you more.